Hey everyone! Are you tired of missing important client calls? In today's video, I'll show you how to automate call reminders and track every client call in GoHighLevel to ensure you never miss a single one. Keeping up with scheduled client calls can be a challenge, but with GoHighLevel's automation tools, you can set up reminders and track calls seamlessly. So, let's dive in. First, log in to your GoHighLevel account. Then, click on the Settings option in the bottom left corner. Once you're in Settings, click on the phone number option from the left sidebar. And then, choose Advanced Settings option. Now, click on Voicemail and Missed Call Textback. Here, you'll find the Incoming Call Timeout section, where you can select the desired timeout duration. After this duration, the voicemail message will play instead of the one provided by the phone carrier. Once you've selected the duration, the voicemail will automatically play after that time. In the voicemail audio section, you can upload the audio file that should be played as your voicemail. Additionally, you can enable the Missed Call Textback option to send text messages upon a missed call. If activated, you can message the customer to inform them of your availability. And there you have it. Looking to enhance your client communication and never miss an opportunity? Check out GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial, where you can streamline everything from reminders to follow-ups. You can find the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more GoHighLevel tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates. Thanks for watching.